Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in New York City, and in this video I'm going to give you a complete, honest and detailed tour of one of the most famous hostels in the city, HI NYC Hostel. This hostel is extremely popular among solo travelers, backpackers, students and budget travelers. As you can see, the building itself is very large, solid and well maintained. It doesn't feel like a cheap hostel from outside. It feels safe, premium and well organized. Now, let's go inside and explore everything step by step. The moment you enter the hostel, this is the reception and check-in area. It's quite spacious, bright and very lively. You'll usually see travelers from different countries checking in or waiting here. One very important point, there are 2 reception counters and the reception is open 24/7. No matter what time you arrive, there will always be staff available. This is a huge plus for late night arrivals or early morning checkouts. On one side, you'll find a snack vending machine and next to it a table stocked with multiple snack options, which is really helpful if you arrive tired or hungry. Now, this is something I personally loved. This hostel has a lift, which is actually very rare in hostels, especially budget ones. If you're traveling with heavy luggage, trust me, this makes a big difference. You don't have to carry bags up multiple floors. Just take the lift. Once you reach your floor, these are the corridors where all the rooms are located. Everything is well lit, clean and clearly labeled. The environment feels safe and organized even if you're staying here for the first time. You'll also find separate washrooms for men and women on each floor, which is good for privacy and comfort. Now, let's enter the room. Entry is done using an access card, so only guests can enter, which adds an extra layer of security. Inside the room, you get large lockers, and this is one of the best features. Each locker has a power socket inside, so you can charge your phone, camera, or laptop safely. This particular room is a 4-bed dorm, and honestly, it's much more spacious than typical hostel rooms. First of all, there's plenty of walking space, so you don't feel cramped. There is a large mirror, a bench to sit, dustbins, and you'll also notice an air purifier and a room heater, which is extremely useful during winter months in New York. The room has a large window, giving you a view of the outside road. Natural light comes in, making the room feel fresh and airy. Now let's talk about the bed. The bed is large, sturdy, and very comfortable. Each bed comes with a personal study light USB charging ports, 2 power sockets, and most importantly, a curtain for complete privacy. So even though it's a shared dorm, you still get your own private space, which is amazing for solo travelers. Now let me show you the washroom area. It is very spacious and extremely clean. There are 5 shower cubicles, 5 WC units, and multiple wash basins. You also get large mirrors, which is convenient during morning rush hours. Cleanliness here is really well maintained, which is a big relief in a shared accommodation. Back on the ground floor, this area is like the heart of the hostel. There are vending machines for soft drinks and an in-house eatery where you can buy fruits, juices, coffee, tea, muffins, croissants, deli burgers, sandwiches, and more. There are plenty of chairs and tables where you can sit, eat, work, or simply relax. As you move further inside, you'll find games like a pool table, which makes this place perfect for socializing and meeting new people. There are also dedicated rooms for meetings, group discussions, or small celebrations like birthdays. This is the lounge area where you can sit peacefully, relax, or read. There is ample seating space, so even during busy hours, you don't feel uncomfortable waiting. You'll find books available, making it a great place to unwind after a long day of exploring the city. Now let's go down to the basement. Here you'll find a theater room with a large TV where guests can watch movies together. They also organize live events here, such as comedy nights and special shows, which really adds to the hostel experience. This is the kitchen and dining area. It's a fully equipped kitchen with all cooking facilities available. There are multiple refrigerators so you can store your food easily. Next to the kitchen is a secure luggage storage room, which is very useful if you need to leave your bags after checkout. And finally, this is the open garden area upstairs. It's a beautiful open space where you can sit, eat, relax, and enjoy the weather. There is plenty of space for parties, gatherings, and social events, making it one of the best hostel common areas in New York. So overall, HI New York City Hostel offers excellent facilities, great security, cleanliness, and a very social atmosphere. If you're a solo traveler, student, or budget traveler visiting New York City, this hostel is definitely worth considering. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.